The UN refugee agency UNHCR says it has repatriated 13,800 Somali refugees as of April 28th from the Dadaab refugee camp in Kenya since the voluntary program started in December 2014. According to the UNHCR statement issued on Monday, 7,703 Somali refugees were repatriated between January and April this year. Since the repatriation process started in December 2014, 63 road convoys and 75 flights have been organized to Somalia, the statement said. The statement came after the Kenyan government said last week it would close the Dadaab refugee camp by May next year, citing a very heavy economic, security, and environmental burden. Set up over 20 years ago, Dadaab, the world's largest refugee camp in northeast Kenya, hosts nearly 330,000 refugees, mostly from Somalia. Kenya claims Somalia-based Islamist group Al-Shabaab, which has staged a string of deadly attacks in Kenya in recent years, has hideouts in Dadaab. It asked UNHCR to close Dadaab last April, days after Al-Shabaab gunmen's massacre of 148 people at Kenya's Garissa University. UNHCR has repeatedly urged Kenya not to close the camp, but is implementing the voluntary repatriation program under an agreement signed between Kenya, Somalia, and the UN agency.